Shifting our focus now, NASA has begun wet dress rehearsal for the highly anticipated Artemis II mission around the moon. The space agency has started the fueling practice of the SLS rocket and the Orion spacecraft on the launch pad at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. According to the statement which was put out by the agency, NASA's teams powered up rocket's core stage on the 1st of February, loading it with more than 700,000 gallons of liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen during the tanking phase of the countdown. A final pre-launch simulation where a rocket is fully loaded with liquid propellants to test systems under flight-like conditions without actually launching them. It also said that the Orion spacecraft remained powered over the last several days due to cold temperatures in Florida, and that engineers will begin core stage battery charge. The test also includes final preparations of the umbilical arms and a walk down at the launch pad. The rehearsal will allow the launch team as well as the supporting teams in the Mission Control Center in Houston to go through a full range of operations. This includes loading cryogenic liquid propellant into the SLS rocket's tanks and conducting a launch countdown. The test is also meant to demonstrate the ability to recycle the countdown clock and draining the tanks, ensuring preparedness for the launch day. While the Artemis II crew members are not participating in the wet dress rehearsal, the crew milestones occurring during launch day will be incorporated into the test timeline, and the Artemis crew will practice their closeout operations like closing the Orion crew module and launch abort system hatches. NASA, remember, has plans to launch its Artemis II mission this month, which is set to be the first crewed flight around the moon in more than 50 years. The 10-day mission will send 4 astronauts around the moon and back. The Artemis II mission crew includes 3 American and 1 Canadian astronauts, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Canada's Jeremy Hansen. NASA last month had pushed back moon mission update due to forecasts on freezing temperatures at the Florida launch site. The earliest window for the mission will now be 8th of February, 2 days later than originally scheduled date. The agency has stated that it will provide a 24/7 live stream of the rocket and a separate feed during tanking activities, as well as real-time blog post updates regarding the tests.